Hello everyone and welcome back to Simplex Accounting. I'm Lucy Johnson, a qualified and licensed accountant specialising in small businesses. If you find yourself navigating the complexities of business accounting, remember that assistance is just a consultation call away. Today we're embarking on an enlightening journey into the intricacies of the construction industry scheme, better known as CIS. Beyond mere compliance, mastering CIS is a key to success for contractors and subcontractors alike. Buckle up as we uncover strategies for success. Explanation of CIS. Under the construction industry scheme, CIS, contractors play a critical role by deducting money from the subcontractors' payments and forwarding it to HMRC. These deductions are essentially advance payments towards the subcontractors' tax and national insurance. Contractors must register for the scheme, and while subcontractors are not obligated to register, it's important to note that deductions are taken at a higher rate if they're not registered. Contractors and subcontractors. So who exactly are contractors and subcontractors, and what are their separate roles in CIS? Contractors in the construction industry scheme, or CIS, are intermediaries responsible for paying subcontractors. They register with HMRC, verify subcontractors, make deductions for tax and national insurance, maintain records and submit monthly returns to HMRC. Effective communication with subcontractors is vital for compliance. Subcontractors are hired by contractors and they perform specific construction tasks. While not required to register for CIS, doing so lowers deduction rates. Subcontractors must maintain records, understand deductions, and collaborate to scale their business. Specialised skills make subcontractors essential contributors to construction projects. Understanding the roles and responsibilities of both parties is crucial for navigating CIS compliance successfully. How to pay subcontractors. Now, let's break down the process of paying subcontractors under CIS. If you're a contractor, you must first register for the scheme with HMRC. Once registered, verifying those subcontractors becomes crucial to ensure that they are registered with HMRC. It's important to note that tax rates differ for contractors and subcontractors. Monthly returns are mandatory and missing deadlines may lead to penalties. Contractors issue vouchers indicating the deductions made and then pay the sum to HMRC. Subcontractors are essential to quickly scaling your business and allowing you to build a skilled team tailored for your needs. To streamline your processes and ensure you're avoiding nasty penalties, consider getting help from an accountant and using accounting software, just like Xero.
Xero is a fully making tax digital compliant accounting software to help you run your business by sending invoices, creating expense claims, viewing reports, and helping you get paid quicker. It has a large variety of apps that you can choose from in the App Store, so any apps that you currently use can integrate seamlessly through Xero's App Store. HubDoc is used for any manual data entry, so these can include any kind of receipts and invoices as attachments on your transactions in Xero. You can also have fixed assets and inventory directly through Xero. Xero's main dashboard is really user-friendly, so it has your bank account, cash in and cash out, accounts to watch, bills that you need to pay, and invoices that need to be paid to you. Thanks Xero, back to the video.
Domestic reverse charge and VAT. I get asked all the time, is the domestic reverse charge the same as CIS? Not quite. The domestic reverse charge for VAT was implemented to combat fraud within the construction industry. If you're VAT registered, invoicing the end customer includes VAT. However, VAT may not apply to the transaction when dealing with other contractors. It's crucial to understand that not all transactions qualify for this treatment. CIS Exceptions. Not every business involved in construction needs to register for CIS. There are exceptions, and you might be exempt if you engage in specific jobs, such as architecture and surveying, scaffolding hire without labour, carpet fitting, making materials used in construction, including plant and machinery, delivering materials, work on construction sites that don't involve construction activities, such as running a canteen or the site facilities. Now, let's explore the top 5 benefits of CIS compliance. By adhering to CIS regulations, your business gains enhanced credibility by showing clients and stakeholders that your business operates transparently, follows regulations, and is a reliable partner for construction projects. It shows that it operates smoothly through the structured approach to payments, deductions, and record keeping, ensuring smoother operations and reducing the likelihood of errors and delays in financial transactions. It avoids penalties imposed by HMRC, so timely submission of monthly returns, accurate record keeping, and proper deduction procedures contribute to a penalty-free operation, protecting the business from financial setbacks. It secures contracts more easily, as many clients and main contractors prefer to work with businesses that demonstrate adherence to industry regulations. And it also fosters financial stability by managing tax and national insurance contributions effectively, so you can plan finances, invest in growth, and navigate economic fluctuations with greater confidence. If you've overpaid and you want to claim a CIS tax refund online, here's what you need. Limited company subcontractors or their agents can claim by providing their company name, phone number, UK address, PAYE reference numbers, and the company unique taxpayer reference, and the estimated overpayment amount along with documents supporting the claim. Now, let's discuss the crucial aspect of paying tax and claiming back deductions under CIS. When you're registered with the construction industry scheme, you're still responsible for paying the correct tax and national insurance for your business, even if contractors have made deductions throughout the year. For sole traders and partners, send in your self-assessment tax return as usual at the end of the tax year. Record the full amounts on your invoices as income and any contractor's deductions in the CIS deductions field. HMRC will work out your tax and national insurance bill and take off any deductions made by contractors. If you still owe tax after this, you must pay it by the 31st of January following the end of the tax year. If you're due a tax refund, HMRC will pay the money back. For limited companies, if you have gross payment status, declare all your income in your corporation tax return as usual. If you pay CIS deductions, you must claim these back through your company's monthly payroll scheme. Do not try to claim back through your corporation tax return. You may get a penalty if you do. Send your monthly full payment submission or your FPS to HMRC as usual. Also, send an EPS or an employer payment summary and enter the total CIS deductions for the year. HMRC will take your CIS deductions off of what you owe in PAYE tax and national insurance. Pay the balance by the usual date, and if your company's PAYE bill for the period is reduced to 0 and you still have some CIS deductions you have not been able to claim back, carry these forward to the next month or quarter in the same tax year. Tell HMRC in the EPS that you have nothing to pay. Dealing with HMRC. If HMRC thinks your claim is wrong, they may ask you to provide evidence for your CIS deductions or to change your claim. If you do not do this by the deadline, HMRC will correct your claim and you will not be able to make any more claims in that tax year. You can appeal HMRC's decision and they'll tell you how to do this. Keeping records. Your company must keep a record of amounts claimed back against your monthly or quarterly PAYE bill. You can use HMRC's form CIS 132 to do this or keep your own records. Overpayment and Administration. If you pay too much in CIS deductions, HMRC will pay back any deductions your company has not been able to claim back from its PAYE bill during the tax year. If your company goes into administration or you liquidate it, the person managing it should write to HMRC to ask for CIS deductions to be repaid immediately. Missing CIS statements. If you do not have all your CIS statements, you can ask your contractor to send you replacement copies. If the contractor you're working for stops trading and you have not been able to get all of your CIS statements, you should write to HMRC. Include the following information: your name, address, UTR number, it's your unique taxpayer's reference, the name and address of the contractor, the contractor's tax reference if you know it, the dates of the payments or the tax months when the contractor paid you, the reason why you do not have the statements or duplicates. Expenses and consequences. Understanding allowable expenses and the consequences of non-compliance is crucial under CIS. So let's explore what expenses you can claim and the potential ramifications if you fail to meet your CIS obligations. Subcontractors operating under CIS may claim certain allowable expenses. These typically include costs directly incurred while performing construction work, such as materials, equipment, and specific tools. For a comprehensive list of tax-deductible business expenses, check out our video, 10 plus things you can claim for your business. Consequences. Penalties for non-compliance. Failure to comply with CIS regulations, such as late submission of monthly returns or inaccuracies in record keeping, can lead to penalties HMRC imposes. These penalties can accumulate and impact the financial health of the business. Loss of credibility. Non-compliance with CIS may result in a loss of credibility within the construction industry. Clients and contractors often prefer to work with subcontractors who demonstrate adherence to industry standards and regulations. Disqualification from CIS. Severe and persistent non-compliance may lead to disqualification from the CIS. This could significantly impact a subcontractor's ability to secure a contract and work within the regulated construction sector. Financial setbacks. Penalties, fines, and potential disqualification can result in financial setbacks for subcontractors. Non-compliance may also hinder opportunities for securing contracts, impacting the overall financial stability of the business. Legal consequences. In extreme cases of non-compliance, legal action may be taken against the subcontractor. This can lead to legal fees, court proceedings, and potentially more severe consequences. Proactive measures. To avoid negative consequences, subcontractors should proactively stay informed about CIS regulations, maintain accurate records, submit monthly returns on time, and seek professional advice like ours. Investing in compliance measures can prevent financial and reputational risks associated with non-compliance. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the intricacies of CIS for small businesses. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if this information is helpful. Comment below for any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and stay compliant. Bye.